Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your shift key is not working and you wish to fix it, then watch this video. Now the first thing we need to do is check whether the shift key is physically damaged or is just a software issue. So for that, if we are using a plug-in keyboard, you unplug it and plug it to another device. If it is working on the other device, that means it's a software issue with your system. If it's not working on the other device also, that means your keyboard is physically damaged, the shift key is damaged, and you need to replace the keyboard. Now it's working on the other device, or you need to check whether it's a software issue. Then let's check whether the sticky keys and the filter keys are disabled. For that, we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, click on accessibility, and then we will look for keyboard here. And we need to check whether the sticky keys and the filter keys and the toggle keys are in the off position. Now once we do that, we also will update the keyboard drivers. For that, we need to go to device manager and expand the keyboards, and then we'll right click on the HID keyboard device and update the driver. We'll do that same thing for the next two or how many ever keyboard devices show on your system. We don't need to update the standard PS2 because these are the old systems with the 3-pin plug to the computer. Now the last thing we can do if none of these work is to restart the computer in the clean boot configuration. So we'll do that by looking for system configuration, and then we'll click on services. Now before we disable any of the services, we need to make sure that we check this box, hide all Microsoft services, because if we don't, then when the system restarts, it will not be able to access the disabled Microsoft services and your system will go into a reboot loop. So once that is done, then we can select all the third-party services which are not required for the computer, like Mozilla, McAfee, Google, and we can click on disable all, apply, and then click OK, and then click restart, and your shift key should start working if it's not a physical issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.